welcome to our video. We are Annika, Antonia, Clarissa and Yara from the 9th CF in the Johann Gottfried Herder Gymnasium in Berlin, Germany. Our project and goal is to recycle textile waste from old to new. We chose this topic because lots of people, especially young people like us, don't think about it enough. We will measure how many pieces of clothing we buy in 8 weeks. First, Annika will tell you about upcycling. Yara will talk you through recycling. And in the end, Antonia will tell you about the second-hand production. Now, I will give my word to Annika.
The first topic is upcycling. The definition of upcycling is to reuse all discarded objects and material in such way as to create a product of higher quality or value than the original. Simply put, turning old things into new, better things. Some examples of upcycling can be turning furniture into mirror frames, old plastic bottles into herb planters, or turning clothes into rags or other clothes. Upcycling reduces waste and stops old items from filling up landfill sites while consuming less time and less energy. Upcycling lets you stay creative while helping the people and helping the climate change. So, let your hobby save the world.
Another option to get from old to new clothes is to recycle. Why should we recycle clothes? Some clothes aren't fitting for donation because they're too worn out. But what is textile recycling? Textile recycling is the process of recovering fiber, yarn and fabric and reprocessing the material to new useful products. And that is really necessary. Only 1% of used clothes are recycled into new clothes. Also, if you have a carbon footprint of about 270 kilos of CO2, you consume 400 square meters of land, 9 cubic meters of water, and 391 kilograms of raw materials. If a person buys 8 pieces of clothing in 2 months, they on average will produce 336 kilos of CO2 emissions per year. But if they reduce it to 3 pieces of clothing in 2 months, they on average would only produce 126 kilos of CO2 annually.
Second-hand is a very good alternative to recycled clothes. The principle of this is to sell used clothes that you no longer put on or buy clothes cheaply. This saves a lot of clothes that you would have to make new, and it's more efficient and cheaper, which means that even people with less money can use second-hand. Observing from this project, I could consider that clothes will be harmless with us, but they emit more CO2 than you expect. Fast fashion such as Shein or Bershka or H&M are very bad for the environment. In a year, 28 kilograms per month is emitted for coast and 126 kilograms of CO2 per year.